Welcome, Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. We are continuing with the area of a trapezoid using the formula. This can be very difficult for some students because the formula might look a little scary, and what we are going to do here is I broke everything up into steps and with the visual. So what we are going to do here is we're just going to go step by step, and every time we get something, we are going to substitute what we know it is equal to until we find the area of the trapezoid. Before I continue, if you like this, you can get worksheets similar to this with visuals and step-by-step guides. I'm using the links below on Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers. Follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, so here we are going to find the area of the trapezoid, and we are giving some information here. Step 1, substitute the values given into the formula. So remember, a formula is our recipe and we are going to follow it. And this tells us we are taking the base 1 plus the base 2. So A, area of a trapezoid, equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height. And then this line, remember in algebra, this line means to divide by 2. So we are going to use this formula and we're going to follow the steps. So first we're going to substitute the values into the formula. We're going to go step by step. A, we don't know what A is. We have to find A. Base 1, do we know base 1? Yes, base 1 is given here. That is 3. So instead of base 1, I'm going to write 3. So the point of doing this is to make it as simplest as possible without any variables or words like base 1, base 2, height. And then we're going to have an expression that we need to use PEMDAS for and to use the proper order. And then we're going to find the area. Base 2 is given to us as well, 7. So we're going to put 7 here. And then this says the height, and the height here, we see here, makes a 90-degree angle. That is 6. Now, we're going to use PEMDAS, and in PEMDAS we start P, parentheses, we start with the parentheses. And here, in the parentheses, is 3 plus 7. So first we're going to add the bases, and in this case 3 plus 7, and that is 10. So I'm starting with easy numbers so you can focus on the skill and understanding what to do, but it doesn't matter if it's more challenging numbers or even fraction or decimal. You still add the bases first because whatever's in the parentheses, we do that first. And now we have to continue what it says, and it says multiply by the height. So that is step 3, as I wrote over here. Multiply by the height is 6, so I'm going to write it again over here. Remember, we're just bringing everything down step by step, and each time we bring it down, we're going to do another step and make it a more simple expression or math sentence. So 10 times 6 is 60. And then we're going to do step 4, which is here in the formula. It tells us this line by 2. This means to divide by 2. And 60 divided by 2 is 30. And remember, since we're talking about area, we want to make sure that the units are in square feet. So either it's going to say it here like 30 square feet, or sometimes you're going to see it's going to say feet squared with a little 2, which represents feet squared. It also means feet squared, but that is a symbol that we're using, math symbol and exponent. So I hope you found this helpful. This is using the skill of substituting what information given to us into the formula, and then using the formula as our recipe, PEMDAS, parentheses first, and then we are doing the other operations until we get the area of the trapezoid. If you have found this helpful, please make sure to click on the links for my other videos. You can also click on the links down below to get my worksheets on Amazon and Teachers Pay Teachers. Follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos and worksheets on different middle school math topics. Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. Thank you.